thinking about something for a long time today. Every day we play, we laugh, and we have fun, and I really enjoy that. But sometimes I feel like I want to try something more challenging. Something that makes me think more carefully and do something meaningful.
That is a very important feeling. Wanting to try something new means you are growing. It means you are ready to learn about responsibility, decision-making, and how your actions affect other people.
Yes, and when you do something meaningful, you start to understand how things work in the real world. It helps you become more confident and more thoughtful.
I want to do something where I can organize things, talk to people, and make decisions. Something where I can create something of my own.
Like making something, or building something, or selling something.
Selling something? That sounds interesting. What if we open our own shop?
A shop, that is quite a big idea. When you say a shop, I imagine a very large building with many shelves, many customers, and many responsibilities. Are you ready for something like that?
Not a big shop, Daddy. A small shop, our own shop, where we can learn how to run it step by step.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. We can turn this into a learning experience where you understand how a shop works from the beginning.
If we have a shop, we can choose what to sell. We can decide how to organize things, and we can see how people react.
Yes, our own shop, where we learn how to think, choose, and work together. This is going to be a very big adventure. If we really want to open a shop, we cannot just do it quickly. We need to think carefully about everything. A shop is not just a place where you put things and sell them. It is a place where people come, look around, choose things, and decide if they want to buy something or not. So, if we want people to come to our shop, we need to understand what they like.
People like fun things and tasty things. I like dinosaur toys, and juice, and cookies. If I go to a shop and I see dinosaurs, I feel very happy. If I don't see dinosaurs, I feel a little bit sad.
That's actually a very good point, George. When people go to a shop, they want to feel happy and excited. So maybe our shop should have things that make people feel happy immediately when they see them.
You are both thinking in the right direction. A good shop is not only about selling things, it is about creating a feeling. When customers walk into a shop, they should feel comfortable, welcome, and interested. That feeling will help them decide whether they want to stay and look at more things.
Yes, and there is another important thing to consider. We also need to think about how we arrange the items. If everything is messy and hard to find, customers might feel confused. But if everything is neat and organized, it will be much easier for them to choose. So let's think about what we want to sell. We need different types of items, not just one thing.
Dinosaur toys, many dinosaurs, big dinosaurs, small dinosaurs.
That could be interesting, George, but we should not only sell one type of item. If we only sell dinosaurs, then only people who like dinosaurs will come. But if we have many different things, more people will be interested.
That makes sense. So we should have variety. Maybe we can have 3 sections. One for toys, one for food, and one for drinks.
That is a very good structure. Let's think more carefully about each section. For example, in the food section, we should not only choose food that is tasty. We should also think about food that is healthy.
Healthy food is good, but sweet food is also good. If everything is healthy, maybe it is not fun. If everything is sweet, maybe it is not good for the body.
That's actually very smart, George. So we need a balance between healthy food and fun food.
Important ideas in business. If you only focus on one thing, you might lose other opportunities. A good shop always tries to give customers choices.
Exactly. Balance is one of the most important ideas in business. If you only focus on one thing, you might lose other opportunities. A good shop always tries to give customers choices.
That is completely normal. Pricing is not easy, even for adults.
Let me explain it step by step. When you set a price, you need to think about 3 things. First, how valuable the item is. Second, how much people are willing to pay. And third, whether the price feels fair.
What does fair mean?
Fair means that both the seller and the beer feel satisfied. If the price is too high, the beer feels unhappy. If the price is too low, The seller might feel like they are losing something.
If I buy a dinosaur and it is too expensive, I feel sad. If it is too cheap, maybe it is not special.
That is a very thoughtful observation. George, sometimes, price also affects how we feel about something. If something is too cheap, we might think it is not valuable. If something is too expensive, we might feel it is not worth it.
So we need to find a middle point. Not too high, not too low. Just right. Now we need to make our shop look nice.
Colorful.
Yes, if it is colorful, people will notice it.
Color is very important. Bright colors can make people feel happy and energetic. But we should not use too many colors in a messy way.
We can also create sections using colors. For example, green for healthy food, bright colors for snacks, and maybe blue for drinks.
Dinosaurs can be in the green section because dinosaurs live in nature.
That is actually a very creative idea. Welcome to our shop. We have carefully prepared everything to make your experience enjoyable. Please feel free to explore and take your time choosing.
Everything is organized. You can look slowly and choose what you really like.
Thank you. I will take my time. When I visit a shop, I like to look at different options before making a decision. Choosing something is not only about what I like, it is also about what I need.
So customers don't always buy the first thing they see. They compare and think carefully.
I feel like this price is a little too high.
We tried to choose a price that is fair, but maybe we didn't fully understand what customers expect.
This is an important moment when customers give feedback. It is not something negative. It is an opportunity to learn and improve.
I am not sure if I should buy this or not.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about whether I really need it.
Sometimes we want things, but we don't need them. If we think carefully, we make better choices. Something is not working. Some customers are not happy. We are not sure about our prices, and we are not working together perfectly.
This is what learning looks like. When you try something new, you will face confusion, mistakes, and challenges. But these are not failures. They are part of growth.
The important thing is not to stop. The important thing is to understand what went wrong and try again.
We need to listen more carefully. We need to adjust our prices. We need to work as a team.
We should also think about how customers feel, not just what we want.
That is called empathy. Understanding how others feel is one of the most important skills.
And once you understand that, your shop will become better.
Today, we learned so many things. We learned that running a shop is not just about selling. It is about thinking carefully, listening, adjusting, and working together.
We also learned that making mistakes is okay, because mistakes help us understand things better.
That is a beautiful lesson.
And I am very proud of both of you.
This was not just a shop. It was a big learning adventure.